最近、乃木坂46についての記事を読んでいて、ある表現が何度も頭に残りました。井上はグループの外への顔だという言葉です。少し大きな表現にも聞こえますが、その背景をたどってみると、単なる持ち上げではなく、現在の活動を見た上で語られている評価だと感じます。井上さんは5期生として加入して以来、シングルでのセンターやフロントメンバーを務める機会を重ね、雑誌の表紙やテレビ出演、企業とのタイアップなど、グループを代表する場面に立つことが増えました。乃木坂46を普段あまり知らない人が最初に目にする存在になる機会も、以前より確実に多くなっています。もちろん、乃木坂46にはそれぞれ違った魅力を持つメンバーがいます。一人だけでグループを語ることはできません。それでも、外部メディアが井上さんを象徴的な存在として紹介する理由は理解できます。落ち着いた受け答えや自然な立ち振る舞いは、初めて彼女を見る人にも伝わりやすい印象を残します。興味深いのは、こうした評価が人気だけでは説明できないことです。知名度やビジュアルだけでなく、グループ全体をどう見せるかという役割まで含めて語られている点にあります。その期待は決して軽いものではありません。だからこそ、外への顔という言葉は肩書きというより、その時々の活動の積み重ねから生まれる評価なのだと思います。そして、その評価がこれからも続くかどうかは、一つ一つの仕事やライブ、インタビューを通して少しずつ形になっていくのでしょう。
In recent weeks, one discussion has continued to appear across entertainment coverage of Nokia 46. More entertainment outlets have highlighted Iona as one of the group's most recognizable public representatives, pointing to her expanding activities beyond music with appearance in acting projects, voice-related work, fashion, and various promotional campaigns. Many observers see her as an important figure in introducing the group of wider audience. So, as her visibility grows, so does the conversation surrounding her role. Fans view this attention as gradual result of the steady progress and believe she has earned these opportunities through consistent performance and professionalism. Others remain more cautious, arguing that media praise can sometimes move faster than public conscious. Online reaction have reflected this divide. While positive articles often receive supportive responses, some fans have noted that they do not always generate the same level of discussion as more controversial topics. The difference has sparked debates about whether public engagement should be measured by comments, counts, social media activity of the broader impact on an artist's work. So, another history topic frequently discussed is the balance between the group activities and individual opportunities. So that continue to receive high profile incitements. Some supporters express concerns about maintaining a healthy workload. Others see these appearances as valuable chances to strengthen both her own career and the visibility of Nokia 46 as a whole. Despite the different opinions, one point is difficult to ignore. Inouye has steadily taken an increasingly important responsibility at the relative earlier stage of her career, whether live performances, television appearance, or public events. She has consistently represented the group in situations that attract attention beyond the existing fan community. Perhaps the most interesting part of the discussion is that it extends beyond one individual. It reflects larger question about what is meant to become the public face of the modern ideal group. Is it popularity with the group, fandom, recognition among the general public, professional versatility, or the ability to connect with new audience? So there are maybe not one single answer as Nokia continue to evolve. So will be the expectations placed on its leading member, whether Naki Iona ultimately become the defining public face of this generation will likely be dominating not by headlines alone but by lasting impression she leaves through her work over the years.